See, now today we're discussing about the problems on Kirchhoff law, Weinstein bridge and meter bridge. See, that is exercise 2, question number 55. The value of current I in the figure show will be. See, what we can find out is the current in a circuit. See, here the circuit is given. This is the direction of the current. This will be given by the direction of the current. Then find out in a current in a circuit. See here the starting is given by the 10 ampere, and now it is the one of the junction. This side is given by the 6 ampere, and here the current is entering is given by the 2 ampere. Now here the out of the current is given 1 ampere. Then here we can find out the current of how much of the value. See, apply the Kirchhoff junction law. What we can apply the Kirchhoff junction law. The first we are considered this is the one of the junction. So what is considered here the one of the junction. Now the current here the entering. How much of the current is there? 10 amperes. See, we know the formula, the junction. What is the principle? The sum of the current is entering the junction is equal to sum of the current is leaving to the junction. Now here, how much of the current 10 ampere can be entering? It's leaving how much is the 6. Now here this side is there, the remaining is the 4 ampere current. How much is this here? 4 ampere current. Then after that we can observing here. See, this 4 ampere current can be entering this side. And here outgoing, how much is there? 1 ampere. Now this direction, how much of the current is there? Remaining is the 3 ampere of the current is passing. This is the direction. And here can observing, here the 6 and 2 can be entering to this junction. So 6 plus 2, how much is there here? The 8 ampere. Now this 2, 8 ampere and 3 ampere. Where is the meeting by? This is the junction for can be meet and moving away from. Here the entering of the junction, how much is there? 11. That means the current is equal to how much is there? The 11 ampere. How much of the current is there? 11 ampere. Next, see the question number 56. Find the E for the given loop. So find the E for the given loop. Now here is given by the loop. See, this is the battery. What is given by the battery? Of this is the direction. This is the resistance. And again here is given by the battery. And here also is given by the battery. And next here is given by the resistance. And come this side. And again here is given by the one resistance is connected to this battery. See, observing here is given by the this battery E, we can find out this value, and the current of the direction is given by this is the direction 1 ampere. How much is the current is 1 ampere. Here resistance is given by the 3 ohms, and here is given by the 10 volts, and it is given by the 5 volts, and it is given by the 6 ohms, and the direction this one, and here is given by the 4 ohms. How much is given by the area? The 4 ohms. The point we taken by the B point, and this is say the C point. See, this is given by the one loop, and the direction of the current is given by the 1 ampere. 1 ampere. Now this is considered the one loop. See, the Kirchhoff second law. According to the Kirchhoff laws. According to Kirchhoff laws. Kirchhoff's law. See, what is the Kirchhoff law? The what we can find out, this E value can find. But we know that when the current is passing the negative terminal to positive terminal, that battery will be taken by the positive. That is the potential gain. Potential gain. Now loop is there in a clockwise direction. The current will be also same direction. That means the current what is taken by the minus. Here the resistance, the potential difference is considered by the V1. And here the positive to negative, that is a potential drop minus E1. Minus E1. See, this is considered the E1. Minus is nothing but we taken by here the directly is given by the 10. And now here coming. Here the potential gain. Gain means again the plus. And here the resistance, the same direction minus V2. And here the also resistance minus V3 is equal to 0. The algebraic of sum of the potential difference in a closed circuit is equal to 0. Then E is equal to minus V1. V1 is nothing but current into resistance. Current into resistance 1 into 3. 3 minus 10 plus 5 minus, here the 6 into 1, how much is the 6 minus 6 into 1 4 is equal to 0. Now observing here the minus 6 minus 10 minus 10 minus 20 minus 23 minus 23 plus 5 is equal to 0, that E is equal to 18 volts. How much of the current is there here, the flowing up in there, the battery of EMF is there 18 volts. Next see the 57. The potential difference between A and B is, the potential difference between the A and B. Now here is given by the ground is the potential is connected by there here the battery of 6 volts, and it is across as given by the resistance, and it is across as here again is given by the one of the battery, and now this is the resistance, and it is connected to a B point. Where is connected to a, this is the B point is connected by there. In B point we can observe here the current 3 amperes is given by there. Here resistance is the 2 ohms, and here is given by the 9 volts, and the current of the direction is given by the here, and this is given by any 3 ohms. Then find out any potential difference of A and B point. See, observing this is a ground means lower potential, this is the higher potential. Now the lower potential, the current of the this is the direction, the current will be the this is the direction. Then we can write here the VA, okay, or nothing but is taken by here the VB is taken by there, okay. The first, the current and potential, the current how much is there, 3 ampere of the current, and resistance how much is there, 3 into 3 9, this is say the minus 9, the current and the loop will be same direction, this is the minus, and here the gained negative to positive means gained, the potential how much is the plus 9, and again this is the same direction, the current into resistance 3 into 2 6, that is a plus 6, so minus 6 because of is in the same direction, and here again the gained negative to positive, so gained means plus 6, and minus plus VA minus VB is equal to 0, the potential difference of plus A and minus B. This is observing the total VA minus VB is equal to how much is there here, the 0 potential. Here say the current into resistance 3 into 3 9, and potential is the 9, and here the current into resistance 3 into 2 6, and here the potential gain also 6, that's why totally became equal to the 0. So next we are discussing about the question number 58. Question number 58. The electric current I in the given circuit is, see again here given by the one of the circuit, this is the circuit is given, so this is the circuit is given, and now in this one we can find out in a current, what we can find out here, the current we can find out. Here is given the first 2 ampere, and here is given by the 1 ampere. Now here is not anyone is given by, this is the direction is given by the 1 ampere, and here there is no current is given by there, and here is given by the 2 ampere current, and then we can find out here I is equal to, again the Kirchhoff junction law. See how many junctions are we can form, here the one junction, here the another junction, here the another, the 3 junctions are can apply the junction law. The sum of the current is enter into a junction is equal to sum of the current is leaving to the junction. Here how much of the current can be entering by there, 1 plus 2 3, now this direction of the current is the 3 ampere. Now here the 3 ampere of the current can be enter into this junction. Now here the 2 directions, here already is given by the 1 ampere is leaving to the junction, and remaining how much is there, the 2 ampere. The 3 like 1 over number 2 is towards this direction, and the 2 currents are entering into this junction. The 2 plus 2 is equal to how much, 4, that current I is equal to 4 ampere.